Home Sweet Home by Leeanne Roose. Your home is your greatest asset. It is your protector and comfort, the place you go when the world gets too loud and you just want to hide. Care for your home as it cares for you. Hello and welcome back to Khaos Tidy Solutions. My name is Leeanne Roose. I am a certified professional organizer with IAP Career College, CEO and creator of Khaos Tidy Solutions, creator and admin of Facebook group McMinn County Yard Sale, and Facebook group and admin creator of the Women's Foundation of America. I built the Women's Foundation of America to grow awareness for the abuse that women face every single day. Now that I have covered all that and who I am, I would like to get into the video about ways to make moving homes easier, more simple. 10 ways, real quick. Let's go. Number 1, use clothespins on the side of moving boxes to keep the box open. Number 2, group like things together, if they belong in the same room. Number 3, take your time and be organized. You'll thank yourself. Purchasing or downloading an app could be helpful, but time-consuming and also expensive. Number 4, when you're looking for boxes, go to your local stores. Call them beforehand so they can prepare. For example, if you called Walmart, you would tell them, "Hey, I'm moving. Do you have any boxes I can use?" "Yes? Great. I'll be there around blank time."
Wow.
Number 5, do not overfill boxes, don't underfill boxes. There is a happy medium. Number 6, label all boxes and put a general overview of what's inside the box. And then also, what room it goes to. Number 7, make sure to do laundry before you start packing. And make sure you get a suitcase full of clothes because once it's packed up, it's gone. Get absolutely everything you need now. Number 8, make sure to clean all dishes before packing. Buy paper or styrofoam cups, plates, and bowls, and purchase plastic silverware from the dollar store. Number 9, use your trash can for storing kitchen items, such as trash bags, cleaning supplies, and other items that are not food related. During the move, use a small grocery bag for small items, but also have several large trash bags available as well. Number 10, don't take clothes off the hanger. Hang them in the U-Haul or vehicle that you're using to move. It's much simpler that way. That way when you get to the new house, it won't be such a hassle. And a bonus. When you get to your new house, start out by putting everything in one area, such as your living room. Once it's all inside, then you can return your U-Haul. Then, when you are ready to start unpacking, since you've already labeled everything, every box, you know where to take it and to unpack. Well, there you have it. 10 ways to simplify moving homes. If you've used any of these techniques and you agree, like and subscribe.